In this video presentation, we're going to cover through-hole mounting holes. Select the through-hole drop-down and select mounting hole. Double-click. I'm going to select demo just to fill in some numbers here, and we're going to show some different features of this particular component family. You can have satellite vias. These vias in the program are called satellite vias, and you can change the via count up here. So if I want 8 of them, I can select 8 and calculate, and it's going to evenly place the vias around here. Now, the dimension from the edge of the outer diameter to the center of the via hole is the E1 dimension. So if I can take E1, you could change E1. If I say, well, I want it to be 1 millimeter away from the edge of the pad, calculate, and pushes them all out to 1 millimeter. So you can do that. Now, you could also get rid of the vias completely and say 0. Calculate, now you got no vias. I can also select unplated. Calculate. Now, what I see here is my solder mask ring here underneath my hole. So the hole is the dark blue area and the pad is the blue area. And then that would be the B dimension here. So in the B dimension for my hole size, and then the recess between the hole and the pad, because this is a non-plated pad, normally used for mounting hardware, nuts, bolts, and screws. The pad is pulled away from the non-plated hole so that the manufacturer can drill the hole without damaging the pad in any way, because we're not going to plate this hole. Okay, this unplated hole. So you want to be able to drill the hole for the drill bit not to touch any copper. There's no need. You can put the annular ring, if you wanted to, you can move it in closer to the hole if you wanted to hug the hole, but we don't recommend it. Now, let's say if I wanted not to include pads. As soon as I unclick pads and calculate, now it gives me an unplated hole, and it gives me a keep out area, because you got to keep the traces and the vias and the copper pour away from that hole. And because this is according to the fabrication process. Okay, fabricators don't like copper. Basically, 0.25 millimeter would be an average over the hole. So 0.25 millimeter annular ring. They want to keep 10 mils away. They'll accept 9 mils or 8 mil, which would be 0.2 millimeter. Okay. Which you can adjust, but you can't adjust it here. If you wanted to really adjust the keep out area, you would have to move the mounting hole into the FP Designer program, and then you can go ahead and have full editing of the pad stack there. The yellow outline is nothing more than the assembly drawing outline, and then of course we have our courtyard outline. That concludes the video presentation on mounting holes.
Simplify, standardize, and automate an entire IPC and IEC compliant library. Detailed, accurate, reliable, professional. Highest quality footprints and 3D step models, clicks away. Many companies worldwide are easily generating their CAD libraries. You should too. Get a fully functional Footprint Expert Evaluation license for any CAD format and demo today. Contact us at PCBlibraries.com or call 847-557-2300.